Hey guys, Joe here from Clean Getaway Car Detailing. Well, today we've got this beautiful Tesla Model 3 here, and it's red, but it's not the normal red that they come in. It has actually been resprayed with the Mazda Soul Red. So it's a beautiful metallic red, and it has come in, it was actually in a car accident, and the owner was able to get it resprayed a different color, which is really, really cool. We've never seen one like this before. I don't even know if there is one like this. So it's come here, we're gonna paint correct it, and then we're gonna be protecting it with a high-end graphene coating. So we're gonna jump in the Model 3, not the Model S, but the Model 3, we're gonna bring it in and we're gonna check it out first. Tight squeeze. Let's check this paint out. Let's see what the damage is. You can just see the rotary buffing marks here. Really aggressive. So the crazy thing about this Tesla Model 3 is that when the owner first bought it, he brought it to us, we machine polished it, we put on a ceramic coating, it was great, got in a car accident, really sad story. So now it's been fully resprayed, and we're gonna just bring inside and check over it with our LED lights just to see if there's any sanding marks, anything noticeable first, and then we'll put it in the wash bay and start getting it nice and clean, ready to be machine polished. Get it all snowed up. Hasta la vista.
Hasta la vista, baby.
You may see me actually rinsing this snow foam from bottom to top. Usually whenever we're rinsing, we're always top to bottom. But when you have your car covered in snow foam, which is softening up the dirt, it actually it's more effective when you use the pressure from the water to blast it off down low, because if you do it from top to bottom, it's all rinsing down the car and then it's not as effective. So this is the only time we'll rinse bottom to top, as we believe it really helps make the snow foam clean the car better for you. So we've got the Tesla Model 3 here on our scissor lift. I'm going to be doing all the machine polishing and all the top sections first, including all the glass. And then once I've finished all that, we're going to be lifting the Tesla up so I can machine polish all down low and all inside. So we're doing a 2-stage paint correction. It's got a lot of deep, heavy swirls in it, mainly caused from a rotary buffing machine from the panel shop that painted this car. Beautiful paint job though, they've done really well. It's just the finishing stage that we want to really make look so much better and really refine for them. So 2-stage paint correction, it'll be refined down, and then should be ready to be tidied up and sent into the coating bay. Let's get started.
So when we finished machine polishing the Tesla Model 3, we brought it into our coating bay. The coating bay is fully sealed, it's dustproof and temperature controlled, which makes it so much better for when you're installing a ceramic or graphene coating to the car. So the first thing we do is we prep the surface with our isopropyl spray to ensure all the oils and residue from any polish or compound is fully gone so that the coating bonds perfectly. We then apply the nano graphene coating to all the body of the car, the paint, even all the glass roof. We do all the headlights, tail lights, the wheel faces, and also the door openings, which makes it so much easier to maintain his car. So this car here is going to be so much easier to keep clean, and the gloss is sensational. And we know the owner is going to be over the moon when he sees his pride and joy.